What is Bash? Bash is a Unix shell and command language written by Brian Fox for the GNU project as a free software replacement for the Bourne shell. It is widely available on various operating systems, including Linux and Mac OS, and provides a powerful way to automate tasks and manage system functions. How is Bash useful? Bash is useful because it lets you control your computer with simple text commands. You can quickly perform tasks like moving files, running programs, or checking system information. Bash is highly useful for system administrators, developers, and power users because it allows automation of repetitive tasks, script writing to handle complex operations, and efficient system management. For example, you can write Bash scripts to back up files, monitor system health, or deploy software. Who developed Bash? Bash was developed by Brian Fox for the GNU project as a replacement for the Bourne shell, sh. It was first released in 1989 and has since become one of the most popular Unix shells. How to use Bash? You can use Bash by opening a terminal on your computer and typing commands. For example, typing ls will list the files in the current directory. To use Bash, you need to open a terminal emulator, like Terminal on Mac OS or GNOME Terminal on Linux. You can then type commands and hit enter to execute them. Bash also supports scripting, where you can write a series of commands in a text file, called a script, and run them all at once. When you save a Bash script, you usually save it with a .sh file extension. This tells the computer that the file contains Bash commands. Features of Bash. 1. Command history. Bash keeps a record of the commands you've typed, making it easy to repeat previous commands. 2. Tab completion. Start typing a command or file name and press tab to auto-complete it. 3. Scripting capabilities. Write complex scripts to automate tasks. 4. Environment variables. Customize your shell environment with variables. Common Bash commands. ls. List files and directories. cd. Change directory. cp. Copy files or directories. mv. Move or rename files or directories. rm. Remove files or directories. echo. Display messages. grep. Search text using patterns. Basic example of a Bash script. Bash is a powerful tool that can make managing and automating your computer tasks much easier once you get the hang of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity tips.